Fix 2 pieces of adhesives on the adhesive attachment fixture and remove the release films. Align the TP LCD with the locating pins on the fixture and attach 4 pieces of adhesives to its edges. Press the edges to fix the adhesives. Remove the release film from the adhesive on the edge with the rear camera. Place the TP LCD with the screen facing down. Fasten the LCD BTB connector and battery BTB connector. Install the battery BTB connector steel sheet and LCD BTB connector steel sheet. Use the Phillips screwdriver to tighten the 2 silver screws. Attach a warranty sticker to the specified screw. Remove the release films from the other 3 edges. Confirm that the front camera and front camera lens on the TP LCD are free of smudges and foreign objects. Align the TP LCD with the rear cover assembly and install it properly. Check that the press-fitting roller is free of foreign objects. Press fit each edge of the TP LCD at an even speed. Ensure that only the green part of the pressure indicator on the top is exposed. Press fit each edge 4 to 5 times. Press fit each long edge for 4 seconds each time. Press fit each short edge for 3 seconds each time. Then press fit each corner for 10 seconds. Insert the SIM card tray in the device. This is the end of the video tutorial. Thanks for watching.